does English feel so random sometimes?
Seriously, one small mistake, and suddenly the whole sentence sounds strange.
Exactly. I used to study grammar for hours, but when I spoke English, I'd still say things like, she go to work, or I am agree.
Oh no, those are super common mistakes.
And that's the crazy part. Most learners think they need 100 grammar rules. But honestly, 3 simple rules can fix most everyday mistakes.
Wait, only 3?
Yep. And today we're going to make grammar feel visual, not boring, not scary.
I like that already.
Think of English like traffic lights.
Traffic lights?
Yes, green means go, yellow means be careful, red means stop. These 3 grammar rules work the same way. They guide your sentence traffic.
Wow, that actually makes grammar feel simpler already.
Exactly. English is patterns, not rules. Remember that.
Ooh, okay. Now I'm curious.
Good. Because the second rule changes everything.
Now I need to know.
Before we start, write in the comments, which grammar mistake do you make the most?
And try to guess which rule fixes it.
Okay, now let's unlock this. Rule number 1 is the green light.
So, this is the go rule?
Exactly. This rule fixes one of the biggest beginner mistakes in English.
What is it?
Subject and verb matching.
Ah, like he go versus he goes?
Yes. Think of the subject as the driver. The verb is the car. They must move together correctly,
Wait, that visual helps a lot.
right? If the driver and car don't match, the sentence crashes.
Oh, wow.
So listen carefully. I go. She goes.
Just one little S changes everything.
Exactly. Most learners forget the S because it feels small.
Honestly, I forget it all the time.
That's normal. But here's the trick. When you hear he, she, or it, imagine a green traffic light with a tiny S glowing.
That's actually memorable.
Let's practice. Say this out loud. He works every day.
Okay. He works every day.
Good. Now this. They work every day.
Ah, no S now.
Exactly. Can you feel the pattern?
Yeah, the sentence suddenly feels organized.
Because English is patterns, not rules.
That line is staying in my brain.
Good. Now, here's where people get confused.
Uh-oh.
They add S everywhere.
Oh no. Like, they works?
Exactly. Too many traffic lights. Total confusion. Quick challenge for everyone listening. Which one sounds correct? She like coffee or she likes coffee?
Say it out loud before we answer.
The correct answer is she likes coffee.
Green light S.
Exactly.
Okay, this already feels less scary.
Now let's move to the yellow light rule.
Oh, the careful rule.
Exactly. This fixes another huge mistake, using be verbs correctly.
Ah, yes. I am. She is. They are.
Right. Think of be verbs like mirrors.
Mirrors?
Yes, they reflect a condition or state, not action.
Wait, explain that.
Okay, listen. She is tired.
So, is reflects her condition.
Exactly. But now listen. She runs every morning.
That's action.
Yes! And this is where learners make strange combinations.
Oh no, I know this mistake.
She is run?
Yes, I've heard that before.
Because learners mix the mirror with the action car.
Wow, that visual makes the mistake obvious.
Exactly. Traffic problem again.
So be is for states. Actions usually use normal verbs.
Correct. Listen, I am happy. He is hungry. They are late.
All conditions.
Now action. I work. He studies. They play.
Ah, okay. I think I finally understand.
Most learners never realize this difference clearly.
Honestly, textbooks make this feel complicated.
Because they explain grammar with grammar.
Oof, true.
But English is visual. Feel the meaning.
That sentence is powerful.
Now, here comes the important difference.
I'm listening.
Continuous actions use both.
Wait, really?
Yes. Example, she is studying.
Oh, mirror plus action video?
Exactly. The be verb shows the temporary situation. The ing verb shows the moving action.
Wow.
That suddenly feels logical. See? English is patterns, not rules.
I'm starting to believe that now.
Okay, time for the red light rule.
The stop rule?
Yep. This rule prevents sentences from sounding broken.
Sounds important.
Very important. The rule is don't translate directly from your language.
Oh, that hurts.
But it's true.
I used to translate every sentence in my head.
Same. And that creates strange English.
Like what?
Example, I am agree.
Oh, yes.
In English, agree is already a verb.
So the extra am crashes the sentence traffic.
Exactly.
Wow. Red light moment.
Another example, he explained me the problem.
That sounds weird.
Correct English, he explained the problem to me.
Tiny difference, big improvement.
Exactly. Spoken English has patterns you must feel naturally.
Not translate word by word.
Yes, that's the real secret.
Okay, this changes everything.
Let's do a mini role play.
Oh, nice.
Imagine you're at work. Your boss asks, "Why are you late?"
Okay.
Which sounds natural? I missed the bus? Or I am missed the bus?
Definitely, I missed the bus.
Perfect.
Honestly, the second one sounds painful now.
Because your brain is starting to feel English patterns.
Wow.
Say this out loud. I understand. Not I am understand.
Oh, that feels cleaner.
Exactly. Okay, let's fix some common mistakes fast.
Oh, game mode.
Mistake 1, she don't like coffee.
Ah, wrong traffic signal.
Correct. She doesn't like coffee.
Because she needs special verb support.
Exactly.
Next.
I am knowing the answer.
Sounds strange.
Correct. I know the answer.
Because know is usually a state, not moving action.
Perfect. Wait, this is actually becoming fun. Told you? Okay, next. He go to school every day. Nope. Green light, S. Correct. He goes to school every day. I can almost see the traffic lights now. That's the goal. Visual English stays in your memory longer. Honestly, I wish someone explained grammar like this earlier. Same. And if you make mistakes, Don't panic. Exactly. Mistakes mean you're practicing, not failing. All right, interactive challenge time. Let's do it. Choose the correct sentence. She is tired or she tired. First one, correct mirror verb. Nice. Next, they plays football or they play football. They play football. Perfect. Last one, I agree or I am agree. I agree. Excellent. Guys, pause the video and create your own example using these 3 rules. Yes. Write one sentence with he, one with a be verb, and one natural spoken sentence. And say them out loud. Your mouth needs practice too. Exactly. Real English is about communication, not perfection. That line is so important. So today we learned 3 powerful grammar rules. Green light, match the subject and verb. Yellow light, use be verbs like mirrors. Red light, stop translating directly. See? Grammar doesn't need to feel scary. Honestly, it feels much simpler now because English is patterns, not rules. And visual thinking changes everything. If this lesson helped you, write your biggest grammar struggle in the comments. And tell us which traffic light rule helped you most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another English learner. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't fear mistakes. Your English is improving step by step. See you next time.